think it's dawned on me.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review video. Today we are going to talk about a new universal travel adapter from TESSAN. This is a 65-watt one. I have bought this one for myself, and yeah, I have bought another, a 35-watt edition for Rachel. Actually, I have been using another TESSAN universal travel adapter for the past couple of years. I have also reviewed this product, I think 2 years ago, and from then I have been using this one. And when I have noticed that TESSAN have updated their product line with something new, I didn't even hesitate for a second. I've just ordered two of these for me and my girlfriend. Well, there are actually four different variants of TESSAN Universal Travel Adapter available: 100 watt, 65 watt, 35 watt, and 15 watt. And you know what? All of these travel adapters can be used in more than 200 different countries and regions. There are three different plugs which can be used in many different countries. Like one plug is for EU, European Union, then there is another for UK, then yeah, finally there is another which can be used in USA or Australia. As I frequently travel to these countries, I have just named these countries, but be assured these travel adapters can be used in more than 200 different countries and regions. Okay, definitely we will talk about unboxing, and then we will go through the features and the performance of these TESSAN Universal Travel Adapters. But before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, there are three things that makes TESSAN products better than the others. The first thing is build quality. Check this. I have been using this TESSAN travel adapter for the past couple of years, and I have even failed to put a scratch on it. I've been using this travel adapter like once or twice a month when I have traveled to different cities or to different countries, and it still looks like a new product. And you know what? This new travel adapter from TESSAN, it even has a better build quality. TESSAN always uses premium quality materials to manufacture their products. All the curves, all the cutouts, everything is precisely designed and makes it easy to use the products manufactured by TESSAN. So yeah, for build quality, I'm gonna give 10 out of 10 to both of these 65 watt and 35 watt universal travel adapters. When it comes to travel adapters, the second thing I care about is portability and convenience. The 65 watt universal travel adapter only weighs around 190 grams. That's less than zero point 0.4 pounds. It also has a compact size, so it's very easy to carry around. Moreover, the placement of the ports, the space between the ports, has made it much more easier to use it in many different environments and in many different scenarios. Okay, before we talk about the features and performance, there is a third thing that I care about. Yeah, it's the third one, but the most important one. All of the TESSAN products always comes with a very good safety measure. Yeah, it has over voltage protection, over current protection, over amperage protection, and many other protections embedded inside this tiny little universal travel adapter. So it is one of the safest to use. Also, there is a fuse which effectively protects our devices. And if the fuse gets burned, TESSAN have intelligently placed another fuse, a backup one. So if the fuse gets burned in the middle of a night in an unknown new city, you don't have to look anywhere. You don't have to be worried. There is a second fuse waiting to be used inside the universal travel adapter. So yeah, TESSAN always cares about end user experience. They always think about all the different use case scenarios. So they have made the perfect universal travel adapter which can be used anywhere, anytime without any issue. Well, enough preface. Let's talk about the features and the performance. Well, let's first talk about the 65 watt edition. The 65 watt edition is powered by GaN chipset and has a very good heatsink inside, so it doesn't generate much of a heat, and due to TESSAN's intelligent design, yeah, heat dissipates faster than many other. So yeah, me and Rachel, we have never noticed any thermal throttling or anything. It doesn't even generate that type of heat. It always stays cool. Well, as the 65 watt universal travel adapter comes with 4 ports, we can actually recharge 5 devices at the same time, 1 on the AC port and 4 on the 4 USB ports. There are 2 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports. We can use the ports in many different combinations, but let me show you how can you get the best outcome with the highest wattage output. If you are gonna use a single port, then both the USB-C1 and the USB-C2 is capable of delivering up to 65 watt maximum, and the USB-A1 is capable of delivering up to 60 watt maximum. Yeah, the wattage capacity of USB-A2 is capped at 5 watt, and that actually is a very good thing. We can recharge our earbuds or some small stuff which doesn't need high wattage. So it's actually better for the battery health of different small gadgets like earbuds, sometimes our smartwatches, and many other things. If you are going to use two ports at the same time, then the best combination would be C1 plus C2. In this combination, C1 will deliver 20 watt maximum and C2 will deliver 45 watt maximum. If you're going to use three ports at the same time, then C1 plus C2 plus A1 would be the best combination. In this combination, C1 plus A1 will deliver up to 15 watt and the C2 will deliver up to 45 watt. If you are going to use all the four ports at the same time, like C1, C2, A1 and A2, then again C1 plus A1 together will offer up to 15 watt and C2 will continue to deliver 45 watt. And okay, I have already mentioned the A2 is capped at 5 watt. And that's it. That's 65 watt total output. Well, the 35 watt edition is a bit different. This one comes with 5 USB ports. There are 2 USB-A ports and 3 USB-C ports. The USB-C 3 actually provides the 35 watt maximum. This can recharge my iPhone 15 Pro Max up to 35% within 30 minutes. Wow, that's really a great thing. Yeah, you will only get the 35 watt maximum when you are only gonna use the USB-C 3 port. But if you wanna use multiple ports at the same time, then again, there are a lot of different combinations. USB-C1, C2, USB-A1 and USB-A2 all are capable of delivering up to 12 watt maximum, and when you use all the four ports together, it will offer up to 15 watt in total. And if you're gonna use all the 5 ports together, then USB-C 3 will be able to deliver up to 20 watt and the other 4 together will deliver up to 15 watt. So altogether, you're gonna get 35 watt maximum wattage. Well, from the USB ports of these universal travel adapters, you can get up to 65 watt or 35 watt based on which edition or which variant you buy. But actually, we can get more than that because there is a AC port. We can always add another power brick on the AC port and get as much wattage as our power brick can deliver. I need to mention this is not only a GAN power brick. This is a universal travel adapter which comes with an additional GAN chipset which makes our life so very easy, which lets us to forget our power brick. Like my girlfriend Rachel, she always forgets to bring her power brick. So whenever she has this universal power brick anywhere she goes, she can recharge all of her devices without any issue, and she can even do that at a very fast charging speed. Well, that's all about these universal power adapters from TESSAN. From my long-term user experience, I can say without any hesitation, TESSAN always offers the best quality products. And yeah, they also have a very good customer support team. And all of the TESSAN products are covered by a very good warranty. So if you are looking for a universal power adapter, then I think you should check these TESSAN Universal Power Adapters. I have left the links of these products in the description box below. Go ahead, check the products. But before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.